How to set fingerprint lock on an Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to set a fingerprint lock on your Android phone. Start by opening the Settings app on your device. Next, tap Security and Privacy or Passwords and Security, depending on your phone model, and select Device Unlocking. Then tap Fingerprint Unlock, Fingerprint Recognition, or Fingerprints. If prompted, you'll need to set a screen lock method, such as a PIN, password, or pattern, before you can add a fingerprint. Now tap Add Fingerprint or Register Fingerprint, and place your finger on the fingerprint sensor. Lift and place your finger repeatedly until the registration process is complete. Once your fingerprint has been added, you can enable options such as Unlock Phone, App Lock, or Payments, if supported by your device. That's it. You've successfully set a fingerprint lock on your Android phone. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.